The 2025 Volvo XC90 is here, and it continues to be one of the most refined and sophisticated luxury SUVs in its class. Volvo has built its reputation on safety, elegance, and Scandinavian simplicity, and this year's XC90 takes those qualities to a higher level. It is a three-row SUV that blends premium comfort with cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for families and professionals who want a balance between luxury and practicality. The XC90 carries a design that is unmistakably Volvo. The front end is defined by its bold chrome-accented grille and the signature Thurs hammer LED headlights, which have become a hallmark of the brand. The bodywork is sleek and minimalistic, with clean lines and smooth curves that give it a timeless and elegant appearance. For 2025, Volvo has introduced subtle refinements, such as slimmer tail lights and new wheel designs ranging from 19 to 22 inches, which enhance its modern stance. With its strong presence on the road, it manages to look luxurious without being overly aggressive, something that has always set the XC90 apart. In the luxury SUV segment, the interior of the 2025 XC90 is all about comfort and craftsmanship. The cabin is filled with premium materials such as Napa leather, natural wood trim, and aluminum accents, creating a space that feels warm and inviting. The minimalist Scandinavian design approach makes everything intuitive and uncluttered, with most functions controlled through a vertically oriented touchscreen infotainment system. The new Google-based operating system offers smooth functionality, built-in Google Maps, and voice control, while wireless Apple CarPlay is available for those who prefer it. Seating is designed to provide maximum comfort, with power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and even massage functions on higher trims. The second row offers generous legroom, while the third row, though more suitable for children or shorter trips, provides additional practicality for families. Cargo space is plentiful, and with the seats folded flat, it becomes a highly versatile vehicle for longer journeys or large loads. The 2025 Volvo XC90 offers a range of powertrains to meet different needs. The standard version comes with a mild hybrid setup using a 2.0-liter turbocharged and supercharged engine paired with a 48-volt system, producing a smooth and efficient drive. For those seeking more eco-friendly performance, Volvo continues to offer the recharge plug-in hybrid version, which combines the same engine with an electric motor, delivering impressive power well over 400 horsepower alongside the ability to drive short distances on pure electric power. The all-wheel drive system ensures confident handling, and the adaptive air suspension, available on higher trims, further enhances ride comfort by smoothing out rough surfaces and improving stability. While the XC90 is not built to be a sporty SUV, it excels in delivering a calm and quiet driving experience that makes long trips a pleasure. Safety, as expected from Volvo, remains a priority, with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance systems all included. Pricing for the 2025 Volvo XC90 starts in the low $60,000 range for the base mild hybrid model, while the higher trims and recharge plug-in hybrid versions can push the price closer to $80,000. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.